excuse the mess. I'm going through a mini makeover in my room, closet slash film space. So it's very messy and I have been working crazy between co-parenting my son. If you are new, welcome, welcome. Hope you stay. If you are returning, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. Starting off with the product. This is the Faszin Shield F100 Ionic Frizz-Free Straightener. They are pioneers of the zero damage hair styling. It shields your hair from frizz, so it does have a built-in 10M high concentration ion generator. It claims to have an effortless styling in just one pass. It has Aerospace-grade smooth glide titanium plates. So you just gotta plug it in. It heats up really fast. Also, it's super gentle on your hair. Let's just give this a whirl. So I am going to plug this in. You just hold the power button down and it literally gives you a digital temperature. If you guys watch me, you guys know I just love playing with, new innovative beauty products. It goes up to 450 to 260. I'll just try 340. I'll go middle of the row. So I actually like to curl the bottoms of my hair. Just twirl it, just like that. Come on here and do a little disclaimer. The Faszin is actually a hair straightener. Yes, you can do curls on it. I prefer doing curls on it, but it's not going to be super smooth. You do have to pull on it. Today I am going to straighten my hair. So I'm going to do a quick pass through. Here is the bright daylight. You can see my hair is super shiny. This literally took me like 30 seconds and my entire hair is done. My hair looks so sleek and not frizzy. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first one. I haven't done this in a while, guys, so yeah. Whoa. Strand. So that's how it's looking so far. Very, very demure, very mindful. Now let's get to the top of my hair. I feel like maybe I should add some oil to it because I feel like it should glide a lot smoother. This is supposed to be comparable to the GHD device, but for only 1/3 of the price. There we go. So that's just like how it's removing the frizz overall. Perfect for dry, brittle hair, for frizz-like hair, which is myself. Hey guys, I am so sorry. My memory died. So as you can see, my hair looks so shiny and sleek. It got rid of all my frizz. I do recommend using a nice serum. Absolutely love the hair and the natural shine. So it looks beautiful. So if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. Link and information is in my description below. So definitely try it out if you like. You will love it. Okay guys, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Email me, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.